everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious creamy beef curry. This is a prime cut for beef stew. I'll be using 2 pounds olive oil, 3G paste I have posted on my channel. Please check it out. Heavy whipping cream and non-fat plain Greek yogurt. 2 tomatoes and 1 green chili. I'm going to put it in food processor. I will make it smooth puree. And the spices from masala dabba. And let's start making our delicious creamy beef curry. Get a mixing bowl. Add Greek yogurt. Add 1 teaspoon 3G paste, half teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon black pepper, quarter teaspoon red chili powder, cumin powder, half teaspoon, coriander powder, half teaspoon, 2 teaspoon olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use vegetable oil. Now combine it well. With the help of whisk, mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined, add beef. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid, put it in the fridge and marinate for 2 hours. If you like to marinate longer period of time, that would be perfectly fine. Start burner. Get a pot. Add olive oil, 1 teaspoon, 3G paste. Mix it. Cook ginger, green chili, garlic paste for 30 seconds. Cooking ginger, garlic, green chili paste for 30 seconds. Add tomato puree. Mix it well. After mixing it well, cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes, I'll open it. Mix it well. The tomato is nicely cooked. Add beef. Mix it well. Beef is nicely combined. Bring your gas to medium. Cover with the lid and cook it for 15 minutes. Cooking for 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, I did open it once and I stirred it. So now bring your gas to low. Cover with the lid again and we're going to cook additional 15 minutes. Occasionally stir it so it won't get burned at bottom. Another 15 minutes of cooking on low gas. Mix it. So altogether we cook 15 minutes on medium gas and 15 minutes on the low gas. So if I check the meat, it does cut through, so it's nicely cooked. But I want to cook a little more. Now bring your gas on a simmer. And we're going to cook for 10 more minutes. Another 10 minutes cooking on a simmer. I'll open it. And so we give 10 more minutes on simmer. Very nicely done. Now we're going to bring the cream. This is 1 cup heavy whipping cream. We are still cooking on simmer. Now mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll add cilantro. Mix it well again. Cover with the lid again and let it simmer for 10 minutes. So exactly 10 minutes after adding the cream, I'll open it. It's nice and bubbly. Our dish is all ready. Turn up the gas. Mix it. Very creamy and very rich beef curry is all ready. I have my serving bowl and look at this. Delicious creamy beef curry. Let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious creamy beef curry is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. And prior to serving, Just add some little more cream on top of it. And this is a super delicious, super yum recipe. So I hope you like this dish. If you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.